So why do we clean walls before painting? It's an important part of the preparation process because things like dust, grease, dirt and stains are found on most walls and are easily removed with a quick clean. I'm going to share 5 ways that you can clean walls and ensure that your paint stays clean and sticks to the wall. Number 1. If you can't get hold of any cleaner, I suggest a warm bucket of water and a soft cloth. This will be good enough to remove the dust and some grease. However, I do recommend that in rooms like kitchens and bathrooms, a cleaner should be added to break down the grease. Number 2. Sugar soap. This product is made specifically for cleaning walls, but it's probably not available throughout Africa. So if you can't find it, use one of the other products that I'll show you later in this video. To mix, pour half a cup of sugar soap into 5 liters of warm water. Stir well with a stick or wooden spoon and you're ready to start cleaning. Number 3. Washing powder. I use around 2 to 3 level spoons of the soap powder. Then I add it to 5 liters of warm water, but be careful not to make it too soapy. Start with 2 level spoons and see how it cleans. Number 4. Dishwashing liquid. This is a great cleaning liquid. Just be careful not to use too much. All you need is a small squirt or a few drops. It'll be enough to mix with 5 liters of warm water. Be sure to get the one with lemon, which is great for getting the grease off kitchen walls. And finally, number 5, white vinegar. Mix half a cup of water and half a cup of vinegar. I prefer to use it in a spray bottle and spray it on, but it can also be applied by cloth. Vinegar etches into the old paint, making the new paint stick well. With the mixture in the spray bottle, I spray it onto the wall. Leave it for about 5 minutes and then I wipe it off with a damp cloth. Make sure that you use a white spirit vinegar. The other vinegars will stain the wall. Okay, so the cleaning works this way. First you spray or wipe the walls with a cleaner. Then you wipe the area that you've just cleaned with warm, clean water, just to remove any excess soap. I like to do about a 4 square meter section of the wall at a time. Once I'm finished, I dry it with a towel. I either wipe it or I dab it. This speeds up the drying time and I can paint usually within about 30 minutes or so if it's a nice warm day. Just make sure that the wall is properly dry before painting and you're good to go.